Let's take a quick look at what's new in HTML5. This is one of the predefined layouts in Dreamweaver CS5.5. If I switch to Code View, you can see that it uses an XHTML transitional doc type. This is what it looks like in Live View. This second page is also one of the predefined layouts in Dreamweaver CS5.5, but it's built using HTML5. This is what it looks like in Live View. As you can see, it looks identical to the other page. The difference lies in the HTML markup. This page uses the much shorter HTML5 doc type. But the real difference comes down in the body of the page. As you can see, the first HTML tag is a div tag, very familiar from HTML4 and XHTML. But the second tag is a new HTML5 header tag. That's followed a little bit later by a new nav tag, nav for navigation. Going a little bit further down the page, we come across an aside tag. The aside tag is intended to be used for things like sidebars or pull quotes. Going a little bit further down, we come across an article tag. And inside the article, you have a section. So these are new semantic tags. The idea behind these new semantic tags is to give web pages a more logical structure than simply using meaningless div tags. Eventually, search engines and assistive technology for the visually impaired should be able to locate and extract relevant page content on the basis of these tags. That's the future. We're not there yet. One area where HTML5 elements come in really useful is in forms. Most form elements use the input tag, but HTML5 introduces many new type attributes, such as date and number. There are also new attributes such as required, max and min. These new attributes are designed to validate your form without the need for JavaScript validation. Not all browsers support these new features yet. For instance, Internet Explorer 9 just displays the page with ordinary text fields, and if I click the Submit button without filling any of the fields out, nothing happens. However, this is what the form looks like in Google Chrome. As you can see, the Arrival field actually fills it automatically with a date. The Number field has a number stepper. And if I try to submit the form without filling in one of the required fields, it'll tell me off. The video element has attracted a lot of attention. It allows you to embed videos directly in a web page without the need for a plugin, such as Flash, Silverlight or QuickTime. The HTML markup is remarkably simple too. Unfortunately, there's disagreement among browser makers over which types of video encoding to support, which rather takes the shine off a potentially great feature. But the Adobe Widget browser that's integrated into Dreamweaver CS5.5 simplifies cross-browser support. Let's take a look at it in action. While the video is initializing, you see a still picture. Then you can play the video.
Why was I sent to this place?
I'm not a hero.
If it's your fate to be a great hero.
Rather than rushing headlong into adopting every new feature offered by HTML5, pick and choose elements that add value to your sites. You probably never used every element in HTML4 or XHTML1. Using HTML5 should be no different.